What happens when a fox shape transforms into a Zentangle? Today, we're discovering the Aurivox pattern, a bold geometric design that brings both strength and calm to your page. Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby 101. My name is Melanie and I create beginner-friendly Zentangle tutorials to help you relax, recharge, and discover joy in drawing. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me for this 31-day Inktober Tangles challenge. Let's get started with the step out for Aurivox. We'll learn the basics first and then we'll build up to a final art piece where the pattern really shines. You can slow this video down or even pause and replay so you don't feel rushed. Start with a shield-like outline. It has the feel of a fox's face. Don't worry about symmetry because Zentangle embraces organic imperfection. Add a small triangle at the base of the shield to make a nose. Let's draw the eyes and snout. Focusing on the left side, draw a curved line from third of the way from top and draw this line to the top of the triangle of a nose. Repeat on the right side. This will anchor the bold inner spaces that give Aurivox its strength. Now complete the eyes. Now let's place two smaller triangles near the top edges, almost like ears. This brings balance and flow. Finally, soften the inside with shading. Notice how a light gradient creates a 3D fox-like depth. Aurivox can face up, down, or even sideways. Try rotating it for variety. Each angle reveals something new. Try it like a ribbon, or a frame, or a border. How are you liking this cute tangle pattern? This tangle pattern was created by Stephanie Jennifer, who is the creator of the Inktober Tangles challenge. Now that we've practiced the basics, let's bring Aurivox into our grand Inktober tile. This is where the challenge comes alive. I'll be drawing Aurivox into the Day 6 section of our masterpiece tile. Watch how it interacts with the other patterns we've added so far. I'm gonna draw it as a ribbon. See how Aurivox anchors the space at the top of the drawing? It's bold, yet leaves room for softer patterns to breathe. Even with its sharp angles, Aurivox blends beautifully with curvy patterns. It proves opposites can harmonize. Don't worry about perfection here. Aurivox thrives when each line has personality. I have to admit, they are really cute. The magic of Aurivox is in its contrast. Those dark triangles against a soft gradient creates instant drama. Notice how the shading pulls your eye inward. Aurivox feels alive in the tile. How's your mood as we draw together? Mine always softens with shading. Drop me a comment with your mood meter check-in. Calm, focused, playful? I'd love to hear. That's day 6 of the Inktober Tangles challenge complete. Aurivox is bold, calming, and beautifully versatile, and very cute. If you're enjoying this journey, a quick reminder, when you like, comment, or subscribe, YouTube shares this calm space with more people who might need a stress relief break. Tomorrow, we move into day 7 with another unique tangle. You don't want to miss it. Until then, happy tangling.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.